We'll take lesson number 1, structured information, from page number 61 to 65. You'll create 61 to 65 page numbers. Okay, this application that you can see in front of you. This is called LibreOffice Base. LibreOffice Base. It looks like a database which is used to enter your data, to record the data, or you use this app for making the report cards and collecting the information of some people. Look, the first thing, what is data? For example, when data is called the information, collecting the information about anybody. For example, the simple data, when you go for a shopping, before shopping, what you do, your mom make a small list of the grocery, like what she's going to buy from the market. So she make a small grocery list, like for example, she wants to get some apples, some cabbage, some carrots, some cucumber, meat, chicken. So the list, what she write it, what she do, she collects the data before she goes for the groceries. Same thing when you enter to the school will ask you your data. What they ask you, your name, your father name, your date of birth, your nationality, your ID number, passport number, and all that. So what they are doing, they're also collecting the data. So data is what? Collecting the information about some specific or some person or about some specific. So this is your LibreOffice. First thing, when we start doing it, let's start do it. Go to your desktop.
Teacher, what is the name of the program?
LibreOffice Base. Okay, you need to download this app. You need to download it into your computer. If you don't have it, you have to wait at the end of the session. I'll give you the link and then you guys can do it. So here is it. Here is the office which I had downloaded, LibreOffice. Just you need to click it. You have to wait because it takes a little bit time just to open it. You can even right click and click open, or simple double click it. Like the same, there is a Microsoft Office, right? Office Word, Office Excel. This is also another type of office that's called Library. You can write here, you can draw some tables, some math activities,
Teacher,
some
how
base
we will
data.
download it?
Okay, so here it is base data. Click base data because we are going to work on base data. We are collecting the data. So a box will appear in front of you. The first thing, the first most step is when you want to start it, they will ask you either you want to create a new database or you already have. So it's already clicked create a new database. Just simple click next and finish. Now here, do you ask you that you need to when you click finish, type the name of your database. For example, I will write here grade 6, and the location, where do I want it? I want it on my desktop, and simply save. Just simple,
Teacher,
you
I
need
mean,
to
how we will download it?
what?
Teacher, how we will open it?
Download it.
You download it? Okay, that is good. If you guys,
No,
as
I'm asking how we will download it.
I said you that thing at the beginning, I will send you the link at the end of the session. When you click it, this box will appear. Now what you need to do, the table, right? We are not doing queries or forms or reports right now. We are learning the table. So if you want to create a table, click table. Just when you click the table, click table in a design view. They ask you table in a design view, use wizard to create. We want click table in a design view. Now you will find row, different type of rows and different types of column. The first one is field name, field type, and description. Field name, like what is the name of the field you want to give, like you can say student name, first name, last name, email address, house address, like what the information you want to collect. The second thing, they will ask you what is this field type. It is a number field, it is a text field, what type of field is it. Then in the description you can write the detail of the description. Yeah, this field is related to what, the detail description, you can write any detail by your own word. Let's suppose you want to start from the field name. The first field name, we keep it row. As you guys can see from your book, page number 64, they created for you the table. This entry, you have to put it on the table. Row number. Now, what is the field type? Here they ask you. When you click the drop down, you get the different options from here, that it is a tiny integer, it is a byte or image or binary, whatever is it. See from your book what they choose it, and you have to choose the same one. It is simple integer. So just choose. You get the different options here because it is number. So as it can be, you can simply say text. Okay, numbers. You can even choose the numbers if you don't find. Here is it. Here in front of the description, write the name of each of the student. Or sorry, the column, count each record. The Okay, let's suppose here we done. The further more details you want to, you have to add name, class number, scores, first semester grade, second semester, and final. When you done all of this entry, because right now it's take long time to put the entries. So this is your assignment that you guys have to create a table here, and then you have to send it to me. So each time, just put the entries, put the record exactly same as page number 64. When you done it, you just need to do what? You need to save it. When you finish the table, type the field name, choose the correct field type, everything. Just need to click save button, or from your keyboard, control save. Control save, or if there is a save button, just click save button. This table appears. They will ask you to name the table. So what you will going to name it? Student grade, because this is related to student grade, and then just click OK. And they say yes, you have to apply the primary key. They will ask you either, do you want to apply the primary key? Primary key, it is a unique key that identify the database, that identify, that show you your database. You can only enter data into this table when one of these two structural conditions has been met. Okay, so do you want to apply no primary key? Okay, should a primary key to be created now or later? If you want to apply it now, automatically the row, because it is a number, each number, like for example, Lana is number 1, roll number for Rana number 1, then another girl we can say Asma number 2, Johra number 3, Tuli number 4, 5. So row number automatically each time row number change for the students. So yes, we want to apply the primary key to our first row number. Here this is to the ID number. No, we don't want it to the ID number. We want it to the row number, right? So let's delete this, and here, oh sorry, I deleted the wrong one. Okay, we want to apply here the primary key. There is a primary key, just you need to click it, and before you can edit this index table, okay, just click yes. Okay, leave it just this one. ID, right click, remove primary key, right click, primary key. The ID table, as I say, we don't want it, so you may easily delete them. That's it. Save, click save. And just right now, because we don't do the further more entries, so your table is done here. Do you guys understand it now? Okay.